Ray! Thank you for subscribing. That's so annoying. I think I did breathe in, like, dust or something. Whenever that happens, it makes me cough, so... Okay, guys, yeah, I'll turn the music down a little bit. Is that okay now? Or should I turn it down more? Don't worry, seriously, I'm fine. Like, I'm totally fine. Literally, yeah, people are gonna be making videos already. Like, Eugenia has another health scare. Because that's what people do whenever I end up accidentally coughing on stream. But seriously, guys, don't worry about it. I'm honestly totally fine. I will literally stop coughing in like 2 seconds. I think what I did was like I accidentally like breathed in dust or something. Like my room gets a little dusty sometimes. So yeah, don't worry. I'm fine. If I end up coughing a little more, don't worry. It won't last long. It's just me, like, you know, breathing in dust. Because they care and they worry. And, well, not everyone, guys. I think a lot of these channels don't actually care. A lot of these channels that just, like, upload these videos, like Eugenia's Health Scare. Now, it's, like, towards anyone that cares about me, I appreciate you guys, and... Sorry, again, I'm fine. I'm telling you guys, the cough will stop in a second. But I mean, to anyone that cares, like, again, thank you guys. I do appreciate it, but I'm fine. You know, everybody coughs. It's just me accidentally, like, breathing in dust and being stupid. I'm fine, and I'm literally gonna stop coughing in, like, 2 seconds, so just, like, don't worry about it. It's really not a big deal. And everyone that does care about me, I really appreciate, but it's kind of like with some of these channels that kind of make, like, these misleading titles. And they'll be like, Eugenia has a seizure on stream. Like, I don't honestly believe that they always actually care about me, to be completely honest. Thank you, Diapoas, for the bits.
Did you
Hi.
Bug? I watched the last VOD and you were freaking out, haha.
Did you? No. The bug actually never showed up again. Guys, if I feel like I have to get water, I'll get water. Like I said, I'm honestly fine. I just talked wrong. I'm fine. No, like I said, it's really not a big deal. Mild Darsol, thank you for the bits. Aw, your voice went away. Oh, that can be so annoying when that happens. I'm really sorry. What do you need right now? You know, guys, I'll just kind of leave for like 2 seconds, okay? It's not excuses. It's, guys, I'm just coughing. This is why, like, it kind of sucks sometimes, like, when I start coughing. I don't want to have to make a big deal about it, but it's like, thank you, Toothless E.T. Shani, for the $1 donation.
I tried watching other streamers. They were horrible. Could you please show us your outfit?
I'll show you guys my outfit in a second, but yeah, guys, again, like, I'm sorry. It's kind of like sometimes when I start coughing or anything like that, then people just, like, start making, like, really, really big deal about it, and it's literally just, like, I swallowed wrong, or, like, I breathed in wrong, or something dumb. So I'm literally just trying to tell you guys, like, it's not a big deal. I'm just coughing. Everyone coughs sometimes. If you guys don't mind, I kind of feel like I, like, set off some, like, sinus reaction or something. So I think I am just gonna, like, leave for a second and just, like, you know, get a tissue. If I start feeling like I need to get water, I will get water, guys. So, like, again, don't worry. It's really just me coughing. Like, I'm okay. But, yeah, I'm just trying to, like, let you guys know I'm fine. So I'm gonna go take care of it real quick. I'll be back in, like, 2 seconds. I'll just put my intro screen on for a second. So, how do you breathe wrong? Because there's dust in my room. You know, I don't know how to explain it, guys. It's just kind of like, you know, I don't know how to explain it. It's kind of like, if there's a dust speck just kind of like flying around and you breathe it in, sometimes it can cause you to cough. People do that all the time for F's sake. Right? And I'm kind of like, guys, like, just listen, I'm fine. Just please don't worry about it. It's literally just me coughing for a second. It's really not that big of a deal. So, okay, I'll be back in a second. I'm just gonna go and, like, you know, just, like, take care of things. So just give me 1 second.